Ever wondered what AI skills will be in demand in 2024 and beyond? Artificial intelligence, or AI as we often call it, is not just a buzzword anymore. It's an ever-evolving field that's changing the world as we know it. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is becoming a part of our everyday lives. In the world of business, AI is a game-changer, automating processes and providing valuable insights. It's influencing sectors as diverse as healthcare, finance, entertainment, and more. The future of AI holds immense possibilities, and the demand for AI skills is skyrocketing. So, what are these AI skills that will be in high demand in 2024 and beyond? Today, we'll be exploring the top 5. Each of these skills opens up a world of opportunities in the rapidly evolving AI industry. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, there's something for everyone. Stay tuned as we dive into the top 5 AI skills you might want to consider mastering. Machine learning is a fundamental skill for any AI enthusiast. It's a branch of artificial intelligence that empowers systems to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Picture a self-driving car improving its navigation after each journey, or a music app that curates playlists based on your listening habits. These are examples of machine learning in action. It's in demand because it's the driving force behind many services we use daily. From search engines to online product recommendations, machine learning algorithms are working behind the scenes, making our lives easier and more efficient. Businesses, too, are reaping the benefits. They're using machine learning to predict customer behavior, optimize logistics, and even detect fraud. The beauty of machine learning lies in its versatility. It's being used in healthcare to predict diseases, in finance to manage investments, and in many other sectors. If you're looking to be at the forefront of AI, mastering machine learning is a must. This fascinating branch of artificial intelligence focuses on how machines can understand and interpret human language. It's like teaching a computer to read, write, and even speak like us. Look around and you'll see NLP in action. It's in your smartphone assistants like Siri and Alexa, reading out your text messages, or in Google Translate, making sense of foreign languages for you. Even your spam filter uses NLP to weed out unwanted emails. The demand for NLP skills on the rise as businesses realize its potential. Imagine customer service bots that can understand and respond to complex queries, or software that can analyze social media sentiment in real time. In essence, NLP is about making technology more human-friendly. It's about breaking down the barriers between human language and machine understanding. If you want to work on AI that interacts with humans in a more natural and intuitive way, NLP is the way to go. Robotics is another AI skill that's gaining traction. It's all about imbuing machines with the ability to interact with the physical world around them. This fascinating field is where AI meets the tangible, as it combines software with hardware to create entities that can perform tasks, learn, and even adapt. Robotics is not just about creating futuristic robots, but it's also about improving the efficiency of existing systems. It's used in manufacturing to speed up production lines and increase precision, in healthcare for surgeries and patient care, and even in our homes with smart appliances. One of the reasons why robotics is in demand is because it's a versatile skill. It's applicable in various sectors, from agriculture to space exploration. Another reason is the rise of automation. As companies continue to automate their processes, the demand for professionals with robotic skills is set to increase. So, if you're interested in giving a physical presence to AI, robotics is your field. In the simplest terms, neural networks are computer systems modeled after the human brain. They're designed to mimic our brain's capability to learn and improve over time. The applications of neural networks are vast and exciting. They're used in everything from voice recognition systems and self-driving cars to advanced medical diagnosis. You know how your phone gets better at understanding your speech patterns over time? That's a neural network at work. But why is this skill in demand? Simply put, neural networks are at the heart of many revolutionary AI technologies. They're the driving force behind a lot of the AI-powered tools and applications we use on a daily basis. The more we rely on these technologies, the more we'll need skilled individuals to develop and manage them. For those interested in mimicking the human brain's functionality, mastering neural networks is key. AI ethics is the field that examines the moral implications of AI and its impact on society. With the rapid advancement of AI technologies, it's crucial that we ensure these tools are used responsibly, fairly, and transparently. Take facial recognition technology, for instance. While it can be used to enhance security or personalize experiences, it also has the potential to infringe on privacy rights, if not used ethically. Similarly, the use of AI in decision-making processes can lead to bias and discrimination, if unchecked. Employers are increasingly recognizing the importance of AI ethics and are on the lookout for individuals who can navigate these complex issues. So if you're passionate about ensuring AI is used responsibly, AI ethics is a vital skill to have. The top 5 AI skills that will be in demand in 2024 and beyond are machine learning, where computers learn from experience; natural language processing, enabling machines to understand and interact in human language; robotics, where machines can physically interact with their environment; neural networks, mimicking the human brain to learn from observational data; and AI ethics, ensuring the responsible use of AI technology. These skills are not just fascinating areas of study, but are also the cornerstones of the future of AI. As we move forward, these skills will become increasingly integral to numerous industries and professions. So, equip yourself with these skills and be ready to ride the AI wave. Until next time, stay curious.